class. Today we are going to start with a new lesson from the theme second. The last lesson from the theme second that is about the importance of transport system. So as we all everyone know how is the transport system it is been working. What is that importance? So lesson number 10. Importance of transport system. Importance of transport system. So as everyone knows what is transport system. Transport, the system where the person can able to move from one place to the other place with the help of different types of direction. So what is the importance in our daily life and what are the different means of transport systems? And basically in this lesson we are going to have a look on what are the different means of transportation, and at the same time in our state what are the different types of transport systems are being existing. Then next we will be going to have a look on how the roads are being used, its production, how it has been creating the employment to the people in transportation, what are the different sorts of activities are we going to take care, how the sale of the goods, then at the same time what is the road safety week, then next is traveling safety, then that has been used to the congestion, pollution, this complete things we are going to deal on. At the same time we also been having to look on the traveling, whether it's their traveling services, how the traveling services are to get used, and at the same time the people's choice of traveling, whether what mean by which means of transportation means of transport they used to travel. It depends on the choice. Then again in the choice also it depends on the situation, it depends on the financial condition, it depends on the place, and how all these choices are going to differ from one person to the other person, place to place, and in the convenience according to the means of transportation system. So now in today's class we all are going to get to know the related aspect about this transport system, different means of the synopsis. Then at the same time we also going to get to know what are the different sorts of means of transport system. This you have been aware, like 4 types in that, also variations from very age you'll be having to know about transportation system. In the transportation system we'll be going to have a look on some important terminologies, the words, terms. At the same time we will be going to have a look on the roadways, then railways, airways, waterways. These are the 4 means of transportation. In that also they will be having different types of classifications in detail. So next on page of 95, synopsis. First is we have been given about the inbox table. Inbox table. Then next, transport system in Telangana. System in so in this transport system in Telangana we do have the different sorts of 4 ways of transport system. Roads, rail, air, water. So waterways, means of transport. So basically these are the 4 means of transport system. We in our state we do have roadways, railways, airways, but what is the one related means of transportation? Example of use of road for production and sale of goods. Next one, employment in transport activities. Employment is getting the jobs, working. Employment in transport activities so in employment, what are the different activities in the transportation the people are being getting out? Transport, services and choices. Next, congestion and pollution. Next, traveling safety. How need to get travel while traveling on the different means of traveling safety. Next, road safety fee. So these are the synopsis which we will be going to have discussed in this lesson. The very first, it is been given on the green in color box table according to the means of communication, the means of transportation is been going to get differences. Next, the transport system in Telangana. So basically there are four means of transport system: roadways, railways, airways and the waterways. In our state, we will be going to have a look on what are the different sorts of transport system which have been existing now. Next, we have the use of road for production and the sale of goods. How example here we will be going to have a look on example about the roadways. So these roadways, how it is being used for the production purpose and at the same time how these roads are being used for the sale of goods from basically production at one place, selling out to the other place. Like means of transportation about the roadways, how it is being used for the production purpose and the same time the produced goods, how it is being going to sold out towards the other places. Next, employment in transport activities. So all this in transportation, how it is been going creating the employment, means jobs or working aspect towards the people in different sorts of working. So like example, if we take about the roadways, in that roadways basically it goes to the bus drivers. For example, one bus, they need the drivers, conductors, then mechanics, then at the same time it will be going to go with the industrial aspect for construction of the bus. Then next for to run the bus, it needs petrol, diesel, the fluids, for that it creates the employment. And for the drivers, conductors, it creates employment. For manufacturing of the bus, industrial unit, basically what type of metals it will be used, that also creating the employment. So basically one type of transport system in related directly or indirectly how it is been creating employment to the people. Next, transport services and choices. So here transport services. So here there are different sorts of transport services. These transport services different means of transportation system. So now here in the textual part, we will be just having to look on the figures which we will be going to discuss, which is been related towards this transportation system lesson. Now the textual page of 95. This is what I wrote, this blue, green color inbox table. While explanation part, we will be going to discuss these green color inbox table which I have been wrote on your textbook, the inbox table. This is what the inbox table, the green color. Now next here the figure, the 10.1 on the textbook page of 96. In 1932, the road transport was introduced under the Nizam with 27 vehicles. You can also see the logo of Daden. Daden means past transport company. So this was of the Nizam period. Then RTD means road transport development. This is what the symbol, here bus number, then here it has been given out. This is what the symbol here. The Nizam here, you can have a look on close. This is what the symbol. And then next 1932 when it was been get started. This is what the transportation system, the road transport about the buses which will be played on the road. In the year 1932 this was been the transport system, roadways. Now next again they have been given out the figure 10.2, transporting animals. So here in the figure you can have a look on, in the early period of time there was also been used of transportation of the animals, for using the transporting the animals like bullocks, then animals like donkeys, then animals like other sort which camels, elephants, to travel from one place to other place before the invention of the these roadways, railways, all in detail. Now again here also they will be given the case study towards this one, the green color box case study. According to this case study, we will be going to get complete this types of buses, their fare, time taken, all this. With this one, this has been, we will be going to relate up. Now next figure 10.3 and 10.4. So previous, in the early period of time, what was the means of transport system? Like here the old and the new modes of transport system. So here old means like traveling through bullock cars, traveling through animals. This is for the old and the new modes of transport system. So here the horse like tonga, rickshaws, which will be going to get played on the road in the previous time, like his historical aspect of. Now next figure 10.4, railway workers. So in the railways, if you have visited out the railway system, there how this railways, the workers, the coolies have been working on the railway track. In the early period of time, it was been used of the animals for the means of transportation. Now next figure 10.5, a train that climbs the mountain in Ooty. This is about the railway system. I think most of you have been visited to this railways where near to the place of Kachigura. Here it has been get existing, or to the some other place. If you have been get travel, you have been more aware about how the railways, how the roadways are being get existed. Now next here it is been going to have a look on the Visakhapatnam port 10.6, the waterways. But it is not existing in our state, it has been existing in our neighboring state about Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam port, but not in Telangana, because Telangana has been not adjacent to any sort of the waterways or the seas which has been going to get connect towards the Telangana state. So this is Visakhapatnam port 10.6 figure. Basically port is a place, waterways, where the ships, the transportation has been going to get carried out. Now we will be going to have a look on the mind mapping regarding the different means of transportation system which is been existing out. This is a mind mapping regarding Basically it was very first in the national highways. National highways. It goes with the central government. Who will be take care means the central government will be going to take care. What is the symbol for the national highway is NH. This is the symbol for the national highways. Then state highways. Particular state government will be going to responsible that state highways. State highways under the control of state government. Then next comes the village. Basically the urban body, urban roads with cities and towns. Urban roads means cities and towns. It will be under the control of municipal bodies like GHMC of our state. Sorry, our district. Municipal bodies. This goes to the district level. Then here comes the rural level, rural roads. Basically, it goes with local self-government. So these two will be under the district. And the last is border roads. Border roads. So this will be under the control of Border Road Organization, BRO. Now next comes here the railways. Basically it goes with railways. There are different sorts of the railways which we can be having to look on the different types of railways. Under these railways, bullet train. Railways means basically it will be goes to the trains. Bullet train. Then next passenger train. Then next it goes with express. Then goes with local. Then luxury. Then goods train. Then next metro. So these are the few types of the trains. These with the metro. So these with railways. Then next comes here airways. Airways are classified into domestic, then international. Then last comes here waterways. So in this waterways also inland. Then other is oceanic. So this is what the transportation system is classified. So this transportation system is classified into 4 ways. What are these 4 ways of classification of the transport system? with the oceans, and at the same time on the flyover like metros, then next on the land, railway tracks. So this is what the railways is being get classified. Coming to the railways, classified into two, domestic and international. Domestic means within the country, within the states. International, one country to the other country, it is been going to get related. So two types of airways, domestic airways and the international airways. Waterways, inland means within the state or within the country. Ocean airways, from one country to the other country. So it is been going to get connected towards the sea, connecting towards the oceans. Like Indian Ocean going to get connected from the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, all through the oceanic ways, through the oceans. Inland, through rivers, through different Bay of Bengal, through the rivers, through the seas, which is been going to get connected towards the inland. So this is what about the transport system in aspect it is been get classified out. So in tomorrow's class, in the next class, we are going to have a few terminal